everyone, welcome to Botany Insider. So this particular video is regarding that what are the major things that you should not do during these last 30 days. So as you all know that we have the official notification in our hand, and that is the exam would be held in September. So now you have approximately 30 days in your hand, and I'll be giving you few suggestions from my end regarding what not to do during these days. The first important thing that you should completely avoid during this particular time is do not go for any new topic. Do not take up any new particular unit and start its preparation. It would give you no benefit. Instead, it would provide you something negative only. So do not go for any new unit. Do not go for any new topic during this particular time. Try to only and only concentrate over those topics, over those units in which you have mastered yourself, in which you have completed your preparation in. Second thing, do not skip off the previous year question papers. Even if you have completed the practicing of the same of the last 7 to 8 years, I would suggest you keep on revising those papers. Why? As revising the previous year question papers is equally important to the syllabus revision. You need to revise the previous year question papers very nicely. So first thing you could do is you can revise it yourself, or if you need some help in that, we have a PYQ pointers book which you can get from Botany Insider. Complete information is in the description box. Now the third thing that you could do is try to re-revise the concepts as much as you can. Try not to skip off studying during this last time, because many students do this, that they feel like कि सब कुछ आता है अब revise नहीं करना. No, you need to revise till the very last date, because our mind tend to forget the facts very easily, very nicely. You need to revise the concepts, you need to revise the complete syllabus very nicely. And if you find it a bit difficult in revising the notes again and again, you can have the recorded lectures of the revision classes from Botany Insider. Information of the same is in the description box. Check it out and you can WhatsApp if you need the same. Otherwise, you can have your notes. You must have prepared your notes. Just revise those notes again and again. Next thing, try to recall as well. As revision is important, so is recalling. What is recalling? Try to point out, try to jot down every single point which you have learned, which you have in your mind in a fresh notebook. I'm not trying to give you any advice of making notes again. No, I'm just helping you, or I'm just giving you the suggestion regarding that. Try to recall as well. For example, if you have prepared for the cell cycle unit, now just close your notebook, take a fresh page and just jot down whatever you have retained in your mind, because it is not important कि आप कितनी बार notes पढ़ेंगे. What is important is आपको कितना याद रहेगा. How much do you retain in your mind, because that would help you to answer the questions in the examination. So with revising, start the recalling process as well. Till now you must have done the revision for sure, but from today onwards, from this particular point onwards, when you have only few days left for your examination, try to recall as well. Try to practice, try to give mock tests as well, because having the practice of sitting in front of the screen and doing 3 hours questions is very tedious task. You need to have that practice of screen time watching, because many students complain about it after the examination that we were not able to concentrate. Why? Because of the screen thing, because they were not able to look into the screen for such a long time. Hence, have that practice. Try to prepare yourself during this time itself for all the conditions which you are going to face in the main examination. See, I have seen many students complaining about that pain in their eyes, or they were not able to concentrate, or they were not able to mark the answers. Why? Because they are not familiar with the CVT mode of examination. You need to eliminate each and every excuse. Yes, these are all excuses. You need to eliminate all of these excuses before the examination itself. Why? Because if you have put in your heart and soul into this particular examination, you need to be very careful of the external factors as well, because you will not be getting all the comfortable factors in the examination, that okay, you'll be having air conditioned room or you'll be having the best comfortable chair. No, all these factors do play a very important role of your preparation in the examination. Make sure that you are comfortable with the discomfort. This is very important. You might find it like this is something very minimal. No, I have heard people giving these excuses after the examination कि chair ठीक नहीं थी, the fan was not working, or you can say whatever be the reasons. I have heard a lot of excuses. So make sure that you protect yourself from giving these excuses after the examination by preparing yourself for every possible discomfort you could have in the examination. So mark my words, it would help you to prepare well in the examination. I have seen students, I'm insisting upon it again and again. Why? Because I know many students watching this video must be thinking ki it is not something useful. No, take my words, it is very important for you to remember the discomfort would give you performance. This is very important. Try to be comfortable in all the discomforts you could get in the examination, and then only you'll be able to excel. So this was all I wanted to share in this particular video. I hope these points would help you out in some way or the other. If yes, do let me know in the comment sections below, and also do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Botany Insider. I'll see you very soon with more informative videos, more quality content on my channel. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you soon. Bye.